afternoon, everyone. My name is Fajobi Daniel Oluwasho. I'm the group leader for Group 14 on the project assigned to us in year 254, which was offered last semester. Our group members are, of course, myself, as I said earlier, Akere Oluwagbenga Peter, Ahmed Yakub Babatunde, and Olawale Jimoh Moshetijesu. The project that we have here today is a plate detection system, otherwise known as an automatic license plate recognition system. And what is this, you might ask? It is just simply a sophisticated computer visual and image processing tasks that focus on automatically identifying and extracting license plate numbers from image or visual frames. That means that when we see a car passing by, or you have a picture of a car, the system will actually take in the picture into the algorithm, process it through the written codes, and actually display in bolded letters how the visual context will actually look like. So for the creation of this code, we went through some various steps, which I will list as follows. We actually need the actual image acquisition. We already have already pre-recorded templates of image. So I said earlier, this is the numbers that we already have for use for the demonstration. They're also pre-processing, that is acquiring this before initializing the plate detection system. The acquired image will go through pre-processing to actually enhance the quality and all. Then we'll use the plate number localization, character segment, which we'll show here, character recognition, and the display and output. All in all, this project will actually showcase a comprehensive implementation of plate detection system using MATLAB in combination with machine learning and image processing techniques for effective, accurate license plate detection system, making it a very valuable tools in the application of various sectors and needs like traffic surveillance to catch traffic offenders, toll collection, and effective law enforcement. So now that I've gone through that, we'll outline the steps that we went in our code. In the creation of our code, as listed earlier, we already have some already pre-established templates here we'll be using for our code. So in the establishment of our code, we actually needed to create a folder for an alphanumeric setup, that is as displayed here. We have 0 to 1 and 0 to 9 listed here, and A to Z listed here. It is from this alphanumeric set of pictures that it will be combined to actually display the image of our traffic plate numbers. Alright, so the first thing we did is to create a code for that is the template creation and that is this. What this code actually does is actually to create templates, that is all the alpha numbers we listed earlier from 0 to 1 and A to Z are listed here. As you can see, we've created templates here. The alphabets are listed using IMRead, as is alpha A to Z are already listed here and assigned a value. Then we move on to natural numbers, so that we also have actually pre-listed already. We listed from 0 to 1 and already assigned values to it using IMRead. Then we created an array for the alphabet and for the numbers. Then a new template and number are actually assigned and saved, and then the clear is detected. Then we move on to the letter detection system. This is actually the place that actually takes in the this is actually the code that provides a OCR functionality for recognizing single letters and numerical pictures using template matching. That is, it will take the image that we processed already, compare it to the template we already created, the 0 to 1s and the A to Zs, take it into the algorithm and compare with the picture image that we are seeing, process it, and actually bring out the letters that will be necessary for actually what will be needed for this template. Actually, so using this code, we use a if and for while if and else loop. That is it to go through each one of them. So already established that if it is not an A and 1, it goes on to the next B, C, D, E, F until actually establish each letter that was detected in the place. So this is just where everything is already listed for it. And finally, we have the plate detection system. This is actually where it takes in the images, actually using the already established codes written earlier and algorithm. It processes the images that we've already established, process it, and then displays it out for us. So right here it's actually where to read out the images that we already processed. Now this is currently the name of the image that we tested when we were trying to test our algorithm. So in here you can see it here. I'm sorry,
So I said
this
this will be the
is
image that we're going to
image
work
5.
with.
So
It
you're
will
going to
to
actually
photo
try to
showing
scan this
FLE
FLECEKRL.
space
Then
CEKR.
I'll show the results.
So
So
we'll
shortly
test it now.
and just simply run the code. So you can see here the images are already been generated and it has been processed, and now this has already given us what was already written on the plate number shown earlier, FLICKEL. It's even given the give of the spacing. For this has demonstrated the use of our plate detection system. Thank you very much.